My name is Sandy Charlton. Over the next semester, our team will be designing a product that will ensure the safety of your clients and ensure the safety of your watercraft. Right now, if you wanted to keep track of your fleet, guarantee the safety of your patrons, and give your athletes an edge on the competition, you need a GPS device, you need a radio, and you need a stroke counter. These devices take up valuable space, are difficult to keep track of, have poor battery life, and above all else, they cost a lot of money.
Hi, I'm Rylan Anger, and I'm a team member at OceanPro. By combining a GPS tracker, an accelerometer, and a cellular modem, we'll allow you to track your boat, tell if someone is capsized, and even allow your paddlers to track their stroke rate to gauge their performance. With the OceanPro Sentinel, you get the comfort of knowing that your clients are safe and taken care of, and that your athletes, whatever age or skill level they happen to be, are using the device with the fastest update rate on the market. But before we talk about the finer details, let's go over a brief history of outrigger canoes.
I'm Miles Krakwek-Tickner, and I'm another member of OceanPro. Outrigger canoeing was originally the only method of oceanic travel throughout the South Pacific, but we are now seeing a dramatic increase in popularity of the sport all over the world. Over the summer of 2020, our sponsor, the Fairway Gorge Paddling Club, has seen a wave of new members joining the sport, even with their greatly reduced access due to COVID-19. In outrigger canoes, athletes tend to enjoy large waves where it can be easy to capsize the boat. Going for a swim might be fun in Hawaii, but here in Canada, the water can be as cold as 6 degrees Celsius. This can make our local waters dangerous, and in extreme cases, the Coast Guard may need to rescue paddlers, or paddlers may even lose their lives. With the OceanPro Sentinel, we know that we can make paddling safer for everyone.
Hi, I'm Dave Hodson, the fourth and final member of OceanPro. When coming up with the design, we decided that the Sentinel must have two distinct modes, passive mode and active mode. Passive mode operates strictly as a tracker, requiring no input from the user. In this mode, the device will report the GPS location, speed, and heading at 5-minute intervals to an online map. If the boat capsizes, the device will send out an alarm and increase the transmission frequency until the paddler recovers. Active mode keeps the same features as passive, but also reports stroke rate and speed, displaying the information on a mobile app via Bluetooth.
The main hardware components include the microcontroller, the cellular modem, the GPS receiver, and an accelerometer. For the microcontroller, we chose the ESP32W Rover E. It was a natural choice for us due to the onboard Bluetooth, as well as our familiarity with the chip. We also decided to use a combined accelerometer and gyroscope known as the MPU 6050. There's a lot of resources available online for this module, so that was a good selling point. For the modem, we chose a SIMCOM SIM7070G, as it can support secure protocols over the LTE-M network. We also chose a u-blox Neo M8Q for our GPS receiver, as it is simple to integrate into PCB designs as an accurate chip that can update locations at an astonishing 10 Hz. All of these devices are certified by their appropriate regulatory bodies.
For the software, we're going to supply a real-time map and an administrator portal hosted on a website. We will also be creating a secure MQTT broker, use a database to store the data, as well as build a mobile application to pair with each device. We'll also be creating a website with a real-time map displaying the location of the boats. We decided to use the Google Firebase real-time database due to its cloud-based functionality, as well as its ease of integration with our other software components. We will create the mobile app using a Google toolkit called Flutter, as it allows us to create an app that works on both Android and iOS with a single code base.
To upload the firmware to our devices, the team decided to go with Visual Studio Code using the Platform I/O extension. This allows us to seamlessly work on our projects with GitHub for version control. Each team member can access the project firmware and make changes as needed. Our chosen method will ensure that the firmware will have all the team members reviewing code. This will be essential for devices that need to be reliable when paddlers need them most.
The code that runs on our device determines whether we meet or exceed our target specifications for power consumption and data transfer. Well-written firmware can drastically improve battery life for long days on the water and can also reduce data usage, lowering the operational costs. Functions that determine the state of the watercraft will be critical for detecting a capsize in rough water, and accurate stroke rate recognition will be key for reporting relevant training data in real time.
Miles and Ryland had the opportunity to work for the Fairway Gorge Paddling Club over the summer for their co-op. The club was so impressed by their work that they approached the two for an opportunity to build a new device for their Capstone project. Both Dave and I had worked extensively with Ryland and Miles over the duration of our time here at Camosun, so the fit seemed natural. We all come from varying professional backgrounds, from drafting technologist to performance athlete. We all made a point to excel to the best of our abilities in the program. Together, we have the skills and the drive to make this project a reality.
The manufacturing costs for electronics decreased significantly for bulk purchases, so we evaluated what it would cost to create a prototype and then what it would cost to make 10 devices, 100 devices, and 1,000 devices. For now, we have priced a single prototype out to around $400. When increasing the purchase quantities, the manufactured price drops down to as low as $180 before needing to make arrangements with manufacturers. Our expected cost for volume production means our device will be competitive with current devices on the market, though with more functionality.
There's a distinct gap in the market for a product like ours, and we found that there wasn't a device that met all the requirements that a paddling club would need. If you operate a fleet of boats and have a diverse group of clients, then it makes perfect sense to buy a single product that can operate as an asset tracker, a safety beacon, and a tool to train your customers who are always looking to improve. With the OceanPro Sentinel, you get all of that for a competitive price. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to showing you the results in December.